Welcome to Go Learning. Let's see problems on boats and streams. In water, the direction along the stream is called downstream and the direction against the stream is called upstream. Now let us see the formulas used in solving boats and streams problems. Let U be the speed of boat in still water and V be the speed of stream or speed of current. Let A be the downstream speed and B be the upstream speed. Everything taken in kilometer per hour. Please check the units. Units is very important. Now let's see the formula. Downstream speed is given as U plus V kilometer per hour and upstream speed is given as U minus V kilometer per hour. Speed in still water is given as half into A plus B kilometer per hour. Rate of stream or rate of current is given as half into A minus B kilometer per hour. Now let us see the problems. Question number 1. The speed of a boat when traveling downstream is 32 km per hour, whereas when traveling upstream is 28 km per hour. What is the speed of the boat in still water and speed of the streams? From the question we can see the value of A is 32 and B is 28. Answers. Speed of boat in still water is given as half into A plus B. So half into 32 plus 28 and the answer is 30 km per hour. Speed of current or speed of stream is given as half into A minus B and half into 32 minus 28. Answer is 2 km per hour. Next question. A man takes 3 hours 45 minutes to row a boat 15 km downstream of a river and 2 hours 30 minutes to cover a distance of 5 km upstream. Find the speed of the river current in kilometer per hour. From the question, we come to know that the downstream time is 3.75 hours and the upstream time is 2.5 hours. Now we'll have to find the downstream speed and upstream speed first. So we know speed is equal to distance by time taken. So the distance is also given in the question. Speed downstream is 15 by 3.75 and it is 4 km per hour. And speed upstream is 5 by 2.5 and it is 2 km per hour. Speed of the current is given as half into A minus B. So it is half into 4 minus 2 and the answer is 1 km per hour. Speed of the current is 1 km per hour. Next question. A man can row 6 km per hour in still water. It takes him twice as long to row up as to row down the river. Find the rate of stream. Now let me consider the upstream speed to be x km per hour and his downstream rate to be 2x km per hour. Rate in still water is given by the formula half into A plus B. So half into x plus 2x. It is 3x by 2 km per hour. From the question, still water's speed is given as 6 km per hour. So 3x by 2 is equal to 6, or when you solve it, x is equal to 4. So the upstream rate is 4 km and downstream rate is 8 km per hour. Rate of stream is given as half into A minus B km per hour. So half into 8 minus 4 km per hour and the answer is 2 km per hour. Next question. A man can row 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream in 13 hours. Also, he can row 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. Find the speed of the man in still water and speed of the current. Now we're going to form equations and solve it here. We know distance by speed is equal to time. Let us take x to be the upstream speed and y to be the downstream speed. So we'll form equations. 40 by x plus 55 by y is equal to 13. Take this as equation 1. This is the first condition given in the question. This is formed by distance by speed is equal to time. And for the second condition, 30 by x plus 44 by y is equal to 10. Mark this as equation number 2. This is the second condition given in the question. What we have to do now is eliminate any one of the terms x or y. So for that I'm eliminating x. I'm multiplying equation number 2 with 4 and 1 with 3, and let me subtract that so that I'll get rid of the x term. I get, when I'm doing so, I have only the y terms. I have 11 by y is equal to 1, or y is equal to 1. Let me substitute the value of y in any one of the equations and get the value of x. Here I'm substituting it in equation number 1, and I'm getting the value of x to be 5. Now the question is rate in still water. So the speed in still water is given as half into a plus b. So half into 11 plus 5, 8 km per hour. Rate of current is given as half into a minus b. So half into 11 minus 5, and that is 3 km per hour. So I think you'd now be clear with both and stream questions. Thank you for watching this video. Your suggestions and doubts are welcomed in the comment section. Please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get instant notification.